Tonight, the Indie Game Academy had its biggest announcement ever. Welcome, Wizard, to the Indie Game Academy. Willem here, your headmaster, recapping the announcement event we just hosted in our Discord, where we revealed some massive changes to IGA. I was joined by Jess, our Chief Wizard of Community, and Ulysses, our Chief Wizard of Marketing. Together, we announced two major changes to how the Indie Game Academy functions. First, we revealed semesters. Each school year will be split into two semesters, fall and spring. Spring of 2023 starts today. Each semester has 3 level 1 classes, 2 level 2s, and 1 level 1. Also, our professors are now contracted through the entire semester instead of just level 3, so they'll be joining us for 6 months long. In addition, I'm bringing on heads of house who last longer than the semesters. So now each house of IGA will be run by one of these 4 fine people. And finally, the House Cup, an incredible staple of the Level 3 program where students earn points towards the House Cup for various activities such as teaching classes and answering questions, is now open to the entire community instead of just Level 3. In fact, the semester culminates in Level 3 pitching their games to a live audience, and at that pitch night, they will earn 100 points for the House Cup, and the final winners of that semester's House Cup will be announced. We hope this is an exciting way for the entire community to get involved and teach each other. Next, we announced seasons. Seasons are a fun way for us to split up what we are learning at the Indie Game Academy. Each season lasts 3 months, so each semester has 2 seasons. That season focuses on one major area of game development. Our first season will be Portfolio Madness, where you learn how to create a beautiful portfolio to stand out from the crowd. Jess then gave us the details on the events and the community changes that we can expect moving forward. We're going to have many classes having to do with the season, so expect some great portfolio classes, including one on how to create your own portfolio in Wix with our good friend Surya. We also have moderators that we will be welcoming into the community, including Jamie and Surya. We're so happy to have you. And you can teach your own classes to other members of the community to earn House Cup points. We hope this fosters a culture of teaching each other and helping each other succeed in this crazy industry. After that, Ulysses gave us the lowdown on the career support plan we're going to be implementing at the Indie Game Academy. Thus far, we've largely focused on helping you build your portfolio, but we also want to be useful to you getting a job and moving forward in your career. So, Ulysses designed us an 8-point plan that's going to help you get further in where you want to be. Next, we went over the changes to levels 1, 2, and 3 program. In level 1, we're going to be spending more time with our professors and a little bit less time with code. That'll be a much better intro for all to get you started making your own games. In level 2, we're going to focus much more heavily on getting you started as a Unity game developer. You'll be creating your own copy of the classic game Clash Royale, learning how Unity actually functions and how you can create your own games. We are going to also have recorded content that introduces you to your verticals. And finally, we'll be adding co-working sessions every weekend during the Level 2 program, so that you get 33% more time learning how to make games. Level 3 is also going to have many changes. First of all, we're extending it from a 3 to 4 month program to have more time to build incredible games. We're also going to have dedicated advisors per team from the batch of 7 professors. We are also going to have heavier requirements to join the program to ensure you get incredible teammates, and we're going to train your prefects ahead of time to make sure you have good leaders too. Ulysses then told us about the website revamps that we can expect moving forward. The IGA website is getting an overhaul where it's going to focus on your games featuring what you've built, as well as your own student profiles and a backend with recordings of our classes that you can watch at your leisure. And then we wrapped up with a big old Q&A session. I cannot wait to share this season with all of you, and I'm so excited to see what all of you create and what classes you teach each other. Thank you for your time, Wizards, and I wish you a merry adventure.